Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video lecture, I will explain you complete details about typical 5-story apartment building. So go to your PDF file. So this is my PDF file. It will be consisting of 2 portions in each floor. Here 5 multiplied by 2 will give you 10 portions for the respective apartment building. I was done the structural analysis and designing of this respective 5-story apartment building by using StatPro software. So please check that video in the above card link. Thus left hand side section will be consisting of triple bedroom hall kitchen portion, as well as right hand side section will be consisting of triple bedroom hall kitchen portion. So the left hand side section will be consisting of 1944 square feet area and right hand side section will be consisting of 1743 square feet area. The main entry for this respective left hand side apartment 3 BHK house will be in north facing direction, as well as the right hand side section portion will be in south facing direction. Now I will convert this respective portion 1 portion 2 area into yards, so which is consisting of 1944 square feet. Here we need to convert this respective square feet into yards. Just I am taking the area as 1944. We need to divide this respective area with 9. It will get the value of 216. So the left hand portion will be consisting of 216 square yards area for the respected triple bedroom hall kitchen portion. So after that I will explain you right hand portion square yards area. So this is a south facing 3 BHK house which is consisting of 1743 square feet area. Just we need to take the value as 1743 square feet area. We need to divide this respective value with 9. It will give the value of 193.66, approximately equal to 194 square yards. The left hand section portion will be consisting of 216 square yards and right hand section portion will be consisting of approximately 194 square yards area. So this is the east facing for this respective apartment and this is the west facing for this respective apartment. So in east facing direction it will be provided with lift portion here for communicating each floor. So lift will be consisting of 6 feet in length direction distance as well as 6 feet 6 inches in width direction distance. So this is the wide corridor for this respective house which is consisting of 8 feet corridor. So this is the staircases for this house which is provided in west facing direction for each floor. Now I will explain you complete details of each portion. So I will go with the left hand portion first. Nothing but north facing direction 3 BHK house. So this is the main entry for this respective house which is consisting of 5 feet width main door. So this through this main door we are entering into the living room. So this is the living room for this respective house which is consisting of 12 feet in length direction distance as well as 20 feet 9 inches in width direction distance. Through this living room we are entering into the bedroom here. First bedroom. So this is my first bedroom dimensions for this respective house which is consisting of 12 feet in length direction distance as well as 12 feet 6 inches in width direction distance. So for this respective living room as well as bedroom it will be provided with the TV unit here. So after this we need to enter into the dining hall. So this is the dining dimensions for this respective house which is consisting of 12 feet in length direction distance as well as 13 feet 2 inches in this width direction distance. So through this respective dining hall we are entering into the wide balcony in west facing direction. The balcony will be consisting of 5 feet 9 inches here. So this is the wash area for this respective main bedroom which is consisting of 5 feet cross 7 feet 9 inches dimensions. So this is the puja room for this respective house which is attached to the dining area. So after that we are entering into the second bedroom dimensions. So this is the second bedroom for this respective house which is consisting of 11 feet in length direction distance as well as 12 feet in width direction distance. So for this respective bedroom also it will be provided with wash area. So this is the wash area for this respective house which is consisting of 6 feet in length direction distance as well as 7 feet in width direction distance. So through this respective dining area we are entering into the utility for this respective house. This is a utility which is provided in east facing direction which is consisting of 10 feet 5 inches for the length direction distance as well as 5 feet 5 inches in width direction distance. So this is the kitchen portion for the house 1 which is consisting of 13 feet in length direction distance as well as 12 feet in width direction distance which is provided in east facing direction. So after that I will explain you last bedroom dimensions. So this is the last bedroom dimensions, master bedroom dimensions for this respective house which is provided in northwest direction. So this is consisting of 7 feet 5 inches in length direction distance as well as 12 feet 6 inches in width direction distance. So master bedroom is also provided with the TV unit here. So this is the wash area for this respective master bedroom, which is consisting of 9 feet in length direction distance as well as 5 feet in width direction distance for this respective portion 1. Now I will explain you the details about the right hand section for this respective house. So this is the right hand section dimensions for this respective house, which is consisting of south facing main entrance. So this is the south facing main entrance for this respective house, which is consisting of 5 feet width. Through this main entrance we are entering into the living room. So living room will be consisting of 14 feet 5 inches in length direction distance as well as 11 feet in width direction distance. So through this respective living room we are entering into the kitchen portion. The kitchen portion is provided in east facing direction for this respective house. So this is the dimensions of the kitchen portion for this house, which is provided as 12 feet 5 inches in length direction distance as well as 11 feet in width direction distance. So this is the utility which is provided in east facing direction, which is also equals to 11 feet 5 inches in length direction distance as well as 5 feet 5 inches in width direction distance. So through this respective living room we are entering into the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom dimensions for this house, which is provided as 14 feet in length direction distance as well as 11 feet 6 inches in width direction distance. So this is the wash area for this respective master bedroom, which is provided as 5 feet in length direction distance as well as 7 feet 6 inches as width direction distance. So this is the puja room for this respective house. So through this respective living room we are entering into the dining area. So this is the dining area for this house, which is consisting of 13 feet 5 inches in length direction distance as well as 11 feet in width direction distance. Through this respective dining area we are entering into the balcony for this house, which is consisting of 5 feet 9 inches wide balcony for this house, which is provided in north facing direction. So this is the second bedroom for this respective house, which is consisting of 12 feet 5 inches in length direction distance as well as 11 feet 6 inches in width direction distance. This second bedroom also provided with the TV unit here. So this is the wash area for this respective second bedroom house, which is consisting of 5 feet in length direction distance as well as 6 feet 10 inches in width direction distance. Now we will explain you the next dimensions for the respective third bedroom. So this is the third bedroom, which is provided in northeast direction, which is consisting of 13 feet in length direction distance as well as 11 feet in width direction distance. So this third bedroom is also provided with the wash area, which is consisting of 7 feet in length direction distance as well as 6 feet in width direction distance for this respective second portion. Now I will explain you a number of windows as well as ventilations to be provided for this respective house in east facing direction, west facing direction, north facing direction as well as south facing direction for the portion 1 as well as portion 2. This is the east facing direction, which is consisting of 3 windows, and this is the south facing direction for this respective house, which is consisting of 2 windows. So along with these 2 windows it will be provided with 1 ventilation for this respective house for the wash area. So this is the west facing direction. So for this respective west facing direction also it will be provided with 1 window for each master bedroom. Total equals to 2 windows in west facing direction. So it will be provided with 1 ventilation for the respective house in west facing direction. So this is the ventilation for this respective wash area, which is provided in east facing direction. So this is the particulars about this respective left hand side section portion. Totally the left hand side portion will be consisting of 7 windows as well as 3 ventilations for the respective house. Now I will explain you the details about the windows as well as ventilations in right hand side section portion. In east facing direction it will be consisting of 2 windows here. So along with these 2 windows it will be consisting of 1 ventilation. So in north facing direction it will be consisting of 1 window for this respective house. So in west facing direction it will be consisting of 1 window as well as 2 ventilation for the respected wash areas. Totally it will be consisting of 4 windows for this respective right hand side section portion. So and along with these 4 windows it will be consisting of 3 ventilations for this house. I will attach this respective PDF file for the designing of a 5-story apartment building. If you need this respective plan, please download it from the below description. So this is the complete details about the apartment building plan, which is consisting of typical 5-story. Thank you.